Hi and welcome. Today we're making Basbousa Cupcake. Very easy recipe, does not need so much ingredients. We're gonna need semolina, 250 grams of semolina, fine semolina, and like that, fine. We need a yogurt, plain yogurt, and then we need half a cup of sugar. Sugar is up to you. You can add or make it less. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar, and half a cup of oil, and 1 egg. Now we're just gonna start with a dry ingredient. We're just gonna put the semolina and the 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix them. Now we're gonna mix the wet ingredient together. We're gonna put the 1 egg with the sugar. And I'm gonna mix them, and then we're gonna add the yogurt. Mix them all together, and then I'm gonna add the yogurt. It means if you don't want to put yogurt, you can substitute with milk. It's the same thing. Either way, both work. Mix them like that. And we're gonna add the oil, half a cup of oil. It's like 100 ml of oil if you measure with the cup. Now we're gonna mix everything together. We're gonna mix everything together like that. After you mix it, it's gonna look like a little bit thick. It's okay, so you can add a little milk. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add a little milk because I felt like it's a little all the semolina absorbed all the liquid, so I'm just gonna add a little bit, maybe like 3 tablespoons of milk or 4 tablespoons of milk, just to loosen it up a little bit. That's it. That's how much I added. Gonna mix it. It's gonna get loose a little bit, and that's it. That's how it's gonna look. It's like a pancake batter. So I'll mix it well, and I'll get the cupcake tray. You get it ready, and you put it in. Bake 350. And now we're making the syrup. We make an orange juice syrup. I have 1 cup of orange juice. I'm gonna put it in, and I'm gonna put sugar with it. You can add more than that sugar if you want it, or you can put it less, or don't even put sugar if you don't want it too sweet. Or you can make the regular syrup, the water and the sugar and blossom water. You can do that if you want. It's up to you. But this one, it gives it like a little orangey taste. So this is after the bake at 350 for like 25 minutes. I put chocolate. Some of them have chocolate chip on them. Some of them has coconut, sweet coconut on it. It's up to you. You can put anything. You can decorate it with anything you want. We just leave them like that if you want. I made it 2 sizes, the big size and the small size, mini size. Now I'm putting the orange syrup on them. You need, after you put the syrup, you just let them cool. Put the syrup when they're hot. So the syrup, it could be the opposite. The syrup is hot and they cool, or they hot and the syrup is cold. That's it. This is it. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you will try it. And if you do, please give like, share and subscribe. And I will see you next video. Bye bye. Enjoy.